Good morning, everyone. Let us talk about anger today. Anger is an intrinsic part of the personality of human beings. It is the barometer of energy level. It reveals activeness and alertness of a person. Friends, anger within limit achieves wonders. Sweet anger of a brother, sister, or parents, or a teacher to channelize the energies of their students in direct direction is of immense importance. It certainly achieves some goal. But once it crosses its limits, it, like a berserk horse, starts controlling our life. It becomes such an important part of our life that we eat, we drink, we sleep. Everything we do is anger and anger only. We have to be angry for some reason or the other. That is the motto of our lives. Friends, life is a wonderful gift of God. We can't let it be wasted for a trivial issue like anger. Often we blame others for our mistakes or angers. This may be right most of the time, but just give a little thought. How can we hand over our so much important life to others? It is the gift of God to us. We can't hand over to others. Friends, we all wish that our all wishes should be completed, should be fulfilled. But reality is not so. Most of the time, reality is just opposite of it. We think that if one wish is fulfilled, I would be able to control my anger. But when one wish is fulfilled, the other wish crops up its heads, and then next, and then next, and then next. And a never-ending vicious circle is formed, engulfing us in our own trap of anger. Let us see the effects of anger. Let us first see the positive side. Positive side helps us to achieve certain goals. Sometimes people, out of politeness, or to give us a passage, or for being considerate, or let us help to come out of the situation, do agree to our demand, do accede to our demands. But this may not be the case all the time. Dear friends, just for 1 second, give a little thought and let anger give the place to love and kindness. Just spread the wave of love and you feel much better than in this position. You can even feel the golden touch of Midas by spreading love and humanity everywhere. You may not achieve the results at once or immediately, but at least, friends, your muscles would be relaxed, and that is nothing less than a diamond. I often find people saying, I really gave him a piece of my mind. Wait. I would like to ask such people, what is left after such a quick distribution, such a kindly distribution? Nothing but futile anger. So these are the negative effects of anger. Friends, not only this, these angry doodles at times create such a trench around them that even their near and dear ones can't reach them to help them to come out of the situation. What is the use of such an anger? It was your decision to be angry, so you have to do something for this. Peace and calm lie very much within our own soul. And dear friends, we start on a long voyage in search of peace. Just give a pause for a little moment and try to search within, and you will be relaxed and feel fresh. People often respect and revere those people who have a kind, calm, and humble personality. They are kept on a high pedestal by the society, and you can be one of them. Just give a little try. Do something to come out of the anger. We all are very well aware of the prevalent phase. Count till anger is relieved. Drink lot of water. Do some yogic exercise. Go for a walk. Go for a movie. Do something of your choice. Or take someone else. But please do come out of this great, disastrous anger. Please do something. It was your decision to be angry, so it has to be your decision to come out of it. Life is a wonderful gift, so be happy, be relaxed, and be lively always and always. Thank you. God bless you.